Hey everybody, I am Shweta Pandey and we are here in the IIT BHU for a brainstorming workshop on Varna River. It was the day of 31st January 2025 where Department of Humanistic Studies, Smart Lab on Clean Rivers, Department of Civil Engineering and Unnat Bharat Abhiyan have come together to find the innovative and practical ways of saving Varna by making the river part of the people's daily life. Here are Unnat Bharat Abhiyan team. So there was an inauguration ceremony from 10 to 10:30 am. BHU का प्रोग्राम हुआ कुलगीत ना हो, not possible. Then BHU कुलगीत was played.
राजधानी राजधानी मधुर मनोहर अतीव सुंदर ये सर्व वेदा की राजधानी राजधानी विविध कला अर्थ शास्त्र गायन गणित खनिज औषधि रसायन प्रतीचि प्राची का मेल सुंदर ये विश्ववेदा की राजधानी राजधानी।
हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी के साथ उनकी चर्चा हुई और फिर ये भी प्रस्ताव निकल के आया कि बनारस की नदियों को, खासतौर से वरुणा नदी को कैसे हम फिर से पुनर्जीवित करें।
Village heads of many villages also came because this workshop was specially related to rivers, and then they were honored by the professors of BHU. And after the inauguration ceremony, we went for the tea break, and here are samosa and roseberries. And after that, we also had tea and biscuits. After the tea break, there was a session from 11 am to 1 pm in which the participants had to present their papers on diverse topics related to rivers. And here are my college friends. I got this at the time of registration. So let's see what's there in it. Lunch coupon, pen, program schedule, a concept note and a scribble pad. And after the end of this session we got the certificates, and we are now going for the lunch. And इनकी खुशी छुपाई नहीं छुप रही क्योंकि लंच मिलने वाला था. So this is our lunch, and she is our teacher and all of us during lunch. And after the workshop a group photo was mandatory. So thank you for watching, and bye bye, take care, see you soon.